Hi, in this video, we're introducing the Verox kit. It features a fanless plug-and-play 8-channel POE NVR and 4 megapixel dome cameras. The cameras are packed with features, including white light for 24/7 color, IR for black and white night vision, a built-in microphone and speaker for two-way audio, AI-powered features such as human and vehicle detection, which can be linked to smart light, an active deterrent siren, and reliable instant mobile notifications. Let's have a look at what's inside the box. You have the 8-channel POE NVR, which powers your cameras. This is pre-installed with a 2 terabyte hard drive. 4 megapixel dome cameras and installation bases. Power supply and HDMI cable. A USB mouse. There are also 4 18-meter pre-made network cables, so all the accessories you need come included in the kit. I have already run my cameras back to the NVR. So now I have installed my cameras, I am going to power up the NVR. I start with my power cable and HDMI cable, and then my internet cable. I now plug in my 4 camera network cables. And lastly, my mouse. The first time you power on the NVR, you will be prompted to create a new password. Ensure the password meets the requirements, so include uppercase/lowercase letters, numbers, and special characters. Once the password is set, you can set your login pattern. Next, proceed with the startup wizard. In the network settings, keep it set to DHCP to allow the router to automatically assign an IP address to the NVR. Configure the time and date settings. When prompted to format the disk, note that formatting is not needed as the disk is pre-formatted. The QR code is for you to scan on the Verox 24/7 mobile application for viewing on your mobile device. Once you click Finish, your cameras should appear. Next, I'll show you how to connect to the mobile app. Go to your device's App Store and search for Verox 247. Select Verox 247 and click Install. Open the app and press Sign Up. Enter your email address, choose your region, and enter your new password. Note that this is your login password for the app and doesn't need to be the same as the NVR. Choose your region and confirm. Press Get the verification. Check your emails and confirm the verification code. Agree to the terms and press Sign Up. Enter your login password and sign into the app. Allow notifications if you would like to receive push notifications for events such as pedestrian and vehicle detection. Once notifications are allowed, you can close the permission request pop-up. Adding a device to the app from the NVR, go to the Home icon and click Configuration. Click the Network tab. The QR code you see under Add to App is what needs to be scanned on your device. Open the Verox app and press Add Device. With your device, scan the QR code with your device's camera. Make sure your device is connected to your router and press Next. Connect your device to the same Wi-Fi router the device is connected to and press Next. Confirm the status indicator light is blue and press Next. Then enter your NVR password. Then give your device a name. Select the time zone, then Finish. Your device should be now added to the app. In this part of the video, I'll show you how to set up pedestrian and vehicle detection and the deterrence features from the app. Press the setting wheel in the top right corner. Select the channel number you would like to set up for detection. Smart Night Light Mode means that during nighttime the camera will be in IR mode with a black and white image. The light will be triggered when an event happens and the image will go into colour. Once the event has finished, the light will turn off and go back into IR mode. Colour mode means that the camera's light will come during nighttime, giving you full colour. Automatic mode means that the camera will go into IR mode at nighttime, giving you a black and white image. Now let's set up our smart event. Press Smart Event and toggle on pedestrian and vehicle detection. Press Activity Zone to set up your detection area. Press the plus sign and press and drag the corners of the box to your desired area. Once complete, press Save. I have left deterrence toggled on as I would like to trigger the siren, but if you don't want the siren, you can toggle off deterrence. Back out to camera settings and press deterrence under event linkage. Toggle siren on. Here you can adjust the siren level, duration and strobe light mode. I have selected red and blue strobe light and now click on deterrence schedule. Here we set up our siren and strobe light schedules. With siren selected at the top, I can now click Add to Schedule. Here we set the from time and to time. I have selected 12 AM to 6 AM and chosen the days to repeat, then saved. We now have a siren set. I can add another siren schedule by clicking the plus sign. We can now do the same by clicking the strobe light button at the top. Once we have added our siren and strobe schedules, we go back and save. Notifications from the event can be received by your mobile device. Select the camera you would like to schedule notifications for. You can schedule these by going to Message Notification under Event Linkage. You can toggle on or off notifications and select which events you would like to receive. I am scheduling, so I receive notifications for pedestrian and vehicle between 8 p.m. till 6 a.m. Once the notification schedule has been added, we click Save. Notifications can also be snoozed when needed by clicking the snooze notification on the home screen. Once you snooze notifications, you will no longer be able to receive them, but recordings will continue and you can search the events in the message center. Disable snooze when you would like to start receiving them again. Here's an example of smart light with siren. Once the person has been detected, the smart light and siren activate and the image goes into color. The camera will return to IR mode once the siren and strobe light have stopped. Notifications will be pushed instantly to your mobile device. Two-way audio lets you hear through the camera microphone and speak through the camera speaker, enabling real-time conversations to deter intruders or guide delivery personnel. Hi there, how can I help you?
Hi, I have a delivery for you.
Oh, okay. Please leave it by the door, thank you. Now let's have a look at how to playback and backup footage on the NVR. Right-click and select the playback option from the menu. In the playback section, choose the date and cameras you want to review. Use the playback bar to navigate through the video timeline. Blue segments on the timeline indicate a smart event has been recorded. You can select the event to playback or backup. Backup footage by inserting your USB drive into the back of the device. Click the scissors icon to begin clipping. Two cursors will appear on the timeline. Drag the first cursor to the desired start time. Drag the second cursor to the end time of the clip. The scissors icon will change to a download icon. Click the download icon to export your footage. On the next screen, select your USB drive as the destination. Click OK to begin exporting the file. Once completed, you will get a backup successful message. I will now show you how to play back and back up from the app. Open the app and click on the play button on the cameras to bring up your live and playback options. Select playback and select the camera you want to view. This will bring up your timeline with smart events. Select the time you're looking for and click on the image to bring up events during that time. Click on the event you wish to playback. You can also download this with the button in the bottom left-hand corner. Once downloaded, you can access these files if you go to your home screen and click Profile in top left. This will take you to the Personal Center. Here you can find all your download files in albums. Thank you for choosing Verox. Now that you know how to set up and use your system, you're all set to stay protected with ease.